Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the HP gaming keyboard K500F. We got a very minimalist packaging. That is the case with most HP devices, where we see the name of the product, the image of the product, so we get a good idea of what it looks like. And they've highlighted two key features on the bottom left. One, that its height is adjustable, and the second being that you've got LED backlighting as is clearly visible. The front side has just the name of the product again. The back side has some contents as well as declarations. This side has a bit of HP branding. The same goes for this side. No, you have color options, so it tells you whether you're getting the black one or the white one. Now on the back side, we get to see the specifications. We understand this is using a USB interface, and the switches have been rated for up to 10 million clicks. It's using USB, so therefore 5 volts is the voltage that will consume, and the power is 200 milliamps. It is supported in operating systems such as Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10, and obviously the upcoming Windows versions that are derivatives. Dimensions are 44 centimeters by 13.5 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters. The cable length is 1.6 meters, and they've used PVC for the coating. The weight is 698 grams. Aside from that, they've mentioned that you've got a stylish design. The keyboard is thick, and LED backlight gives it sort of an elegant look. And the function keys have been laid out in such a manner so as to make it easier for folks to use it. And there's also a little mention regarding the warranty period. You should always check the Amazon page for getting exact details of what all is covered and for how long they are covered. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. First up is the quick start guide. Always read through the quick start guide or the user manual to get a good idea of all the functionalities and how you can go about using it. Then you have a little product notice. This is something you should always read just to get a deeper understanding about the product that you purchased. Then you have contact information for different countries in case you wish to avail product support. And the last thing is the product warranty card. Again, read through this to understand what all is covered under the official policy. Here we can see the 1.6 meter long PVC coated cable. It's using a USB 2.0 interface. And we can see that the top surface of the keyboard chassis is made of metal. We've got the LED indicators for numlock, caps lock, and scroll lock on the top at the usual place. There's a little HP branding right beside it. And this is a full-sized keyboard, so you get all 104 keys. You can pull out each of the individual keys, and you can see rubber dome on the inside, so you know what kind of keyboard this happens to be. And when we flip it around, we see that it has 2 adjustable feet. This was mentioned on the front side of the packaging. And there are also 2 rubberized feet at the bottom for some additional grip. So that's it for the unboxing of the HP gaming keyboard K500F. Thank you for watching.